To get started, we'll go to the Maker portal. In this case, I chose to use the preview version at make.preview.powerapps.com. Next, make sure you're on your new CoE environment, the one you want to import the data into. Click on Data Flows from the left, then click Create a Data Flow. For this data flow, we're going to call it Audit Logs from Old CoE. We'll click on Create. Next, we're going to choose Dataverse as our data source. Now we're going to go to the Admin Center to go find the URL of our old CoE. So in my case, my old CoE environment is just called CoE. Click on there real quick. Copy the environment URL. Now we'll go back to our data flow. I'm going to paste that into the environment domain. I'll click Sign In to sign in with my credentials to access that environment. It's going to pop up a login window for you. And then after that's complete and you're connected, click the Next button. On the Choose Data screen, you're going to choose admin_audit log. That's the table we're going to be copying from the old environment into the new environment. Go ahead and click Transform Data. You don't need to wait around for the Transform Data page. Just go ahead and click Next when you get to it. Next, we're going to be mapping. We're going to actually be loading this to an existing table because this is our new CoE environment that also has the admin audit log table. So we'll choose that table. We can just do an auto map here, and it's going to map all those fields from the old environment to the new one. Click Next. And we're going to make sure we choose Refresh manually because we don't want this one to consistently go out and do it. We just want to run this the one time. We'll click Publish. You'll be able to see your data flow is being saved and published as in progress. When it's done publishing, it'll turn green on the draft status. And you'll see over in next refresh, it'll actually say in progress. It's going to run this data flow right after we saved it for the first time. And it may take a little while, might even take, depending on the number of things, maybe take an hour or two. And then when it's all done, though, you'll see that it says last refresh. If you want to check the data moved into the table, click on Tables. Then we'll click on the All tab under the Tables area. We'll go over to the search real quick and type in Audit to find our admin audit table. And we can click on Audit Log. And now if we look at the Audit Log columns and data area on this page, we can see that there's data that's been pulled in from the other system. So there you go, copying over your Audit Log data from an existing CoE environment.